Moving on. Now, to kickstart the proceedings of the day, I would like to invite Mr. Nitin Rakesh, CEO Emphasis, to set the stage for day two of NASSCOM Cloud Summit. Nitin is a distinguished leader in the IT services industry. Under his leadership, Emphasis set a record of highest deal wins in the history of the company, thus redefining benchmarks and growing above industry rate. Nitin has deep domain expertise in banking, financial services, and insurance verticals. He is one of the first 250 CEOs globally across 26 countries who has committed to build an inclusive work environment, end disability inequality through business performance, and create social and economic value of people living with disabilities across the world. It's a pleasure to have you, Nitin. Nitin, over to you.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you guys are. Welcome to the first Cloud Summit by NASSCOM. While the topic of the summit is, board's agenda for a cloud-first attitude, I think it's important to understand the importance of what this means to businesses in general. I'm glad Suresh and Umang can join us as well. Before I hand you over to them for comments, let me just make some remarks and some observations. If you think about the way the world has been shaping up in terms of what consumers are driving or how consumer expectations have changed with the emergence of all things digital, by that I mean everything, every transaction, every interaction on your cell phones, smartphones, tablets, PCs. I think this disruption was already in the making before COVID happened. Almost every consumer was forcing businesses and enterprises to think about how they should engage with customers, how they should use the data that sits in their systems, how they should get more nimble and more agile, because you don't have the luxury of months and months of pre-work before you launch a new product or a new service. So this move towards agility and customer centricity at the cost of scale and cost, per unit cost, was already well underway before COVID happened. We've definitely seen a massive acceleration in uptick for services that continue to push for agility and customer centricity. And that's where I think cloud has become very, very central and core to driving these forces, driving these behaviors, driving personalization, driving the ability of enterprises to actually connect with their consumers in a digital first or a digital native manner. If you then look at what this really means, I think the adoption of all things as a service, the adoption of ability to consume tech on demand, bundle everything from compute, storage, network, cybersecurity, all bundled into one, is really what's driving the adoption of cloud services. Not something that we haven't seen before in other parts of the tech. Software as a service is actually a great example of how consumption can move from on-prem to as a service. And I think given that only 33% of workloads are still in the cloud, there's a long tail opportunity ahead for all of us, of course, including the cloud providers and the hyperscalers. By some surveys, of course, the McKinsey survey that was done recently, it shows us that combined, 33% of the workloads that are in the cloud potentially can go up to 60% over the next 3 to 5 years. And that means that there is still a pretty big opportunity for us to think about moving all of these workloads into the cloud. And the reason is still pretty native cloud development will drive that use of data and how do you actually analyze the data with the native AI applications that sit in the cloud platforms. And of course, the future looks like it's going to be a hybrid multi, including some elements that will stay on-prem or in a private cloud. So, where do we play into all of this, as an industry? Where do we play into all of this as consumers of, tech consumption, driving, adoption of these new technologies? And of course, most importantly, how do we take this cloud-first attitude back to every part of the business, every part of our customer engagement? It's never about cost, but it's always about cost. So let's not also forget the agility brings with itself this massive transformation in an enterprise technology cost base, very heavy CapEx driven, very heavy upfront investment driven, to a very light, asset light, pay as you go, OpEx driven model. And that actually releases a lot of tech debt and availability of resources that are getting very rapidly redeployed back into customer facing applications. And effectively a new business architecture that is emerging across the enterprise. We at Emphasis call the front to back transformation, native cloud and cognitive. It has continued to be a bedrock of everything we do. All of our technology tribes have a cloud and cognitive adoption element in there. And we've continued to kind of use all the power that can be harnessed through the hyperscaler platforms and of course native automation tools to drive this behavior and continue to look at how cloud can actually become much more fundamental. So here's wishing a good, a good time for the conference. Enjoy the sessions, and we look forward to continuing to drive this agenda across all our clients, across all our partners. Thank you.
Thank you, Nitin, for setting the stage. Ladies and